Welcome to my channel. Today we learn noun and its types. What is noun? So noun is the name of a person, place or thing. For example, Ali, boy, Pakistan, ball, book, etc. Ali is a good boy. Here, Ali and boy both are nouns. We discussed total 10 types of noun. Common noun, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, collective noun, compound noun, singular noun, plural noun. First type is common noun. It refers as common or general name of a person, place or thing, for example, girl, boy, country, city, game, etc. Ali is a good boy. Here, boy is a common noun. Second type is proper noun. It refers as the specific name of a person, place or thing. For example, Ali, Murray, Pakistan, cricket, etc. Ali is a good boy. Here, Ali is proper noun, because it's a specific name of a person. Third type is concrete noun. It refers as things where we can apply our 5 senses. For example, perfume, music, book, car, etc. He read a book every night. Here, book is a concrete noun. Fourth type is abstract noun. It refers as where we use our feelings and emotions. For example, love, freedom, bravery, honesty, courage, independence, etc. She's an honest lady. Here, honest is an abstract noun. Fifth type is countable noun. It refers as things which can be counted easily. For example, apple, books, chairs, students, pens, etc. I have 4 mangoes. Here, mangoes are countable noun. Sixth type is uncountable noun. It refers as things which we cannot count easily. For example, stars, water, rice, hair, information, etc. There is plenty of water in the glass. Here, water is uncountable noun, because we cannot count the drop of water in the glass. Seventh type is collective noun. It refers as the collection and group of things and individuals. For example, flock of birds, troop of gorillas, cricket team, army, etc. The cricket team won the match. Here, cricket team is collective noun because it contains many members. Eighth type is compound noun. It refers as noun which are made up of 2 or more than 2 nouns. For example, toothbrush, sunflower, bookshelf, bedroom, buttercup, etc. The book is on the bookshelf. Here, bookshelf is compound noun because this word made up of 2 words or nouns, book and shelf. Ninth type is singular noun, which refers to one person, one place or one thing. For example, a boy, a girl, a book, a cat, a city, an apple, etc. She read a book. Here, A book is singular noun. 10th type is plural noun, which refers to more than one person, place, or thing. For example, boys, girls, cities, countries, apples, games, etc. The boys are playing cricket. Here, boys are plural noun, because the S with boys suggests the majority of boys. Hope you understand well. Now we start the quiz of all these types of noun. First quiz is: Ali is my best friend. Here Ali is: Option A, common noun. Option B, proper noun. Option C, concrete noun. Option D, abstract noun. Correct is option B, proper noun. Next quiz is: we drink water every day. Here water is: Option A, countable noun. Option B, collective noun. Option C, uncountable noun. Option D, compound noun. Correct is option C, uncountable noun. Next is: he is a brave boy. Here brave is: Option A, countable noun. Option B, uncountable noun. Option C, collective noun. Option D, abstract noun. Correct is option D, abstract noun. Next is: I have 3 apples. Here apples are: Option A, abstract noun. Option B, countable noun. Option C, compound noun. Option D, common noun. Correct is option B, countable noun. Next is: she is a girl. Here girl is: Option A, common noun. Option B, proper noun. Option C, concrete noun. Option D, abstract noun. Correct is option A, common noun.